staying at a new hotel. Well, newish. I'll talk about that shortly, but we're at Caribbean Beach. I actually have not been here since it was renovated. That's how long ago it's been. I've been here. But we're in the lobby. They have this fun little grab and go area, which I find interesting. And then they have the regular quick service over here. And it's like 10:30 in the morning, and guess what? Our room's already ready, so we're gonna go walk over. Right, we're in the Aruba building. This is actually really nice. I think we gotta go. Oh, okay. My sunglasses, no, are in my bag. Anyway, I think we have to cut across. Let's go see, there's a Riviera. So the Caribbean Beach is oh my God. This is not smart choices. I'm trying not to hold everything. I guess I have to. Anyway. Caribbean Beach is a moderate resort. And like I said, haven't stayed here since I graduated high school and since before this resort was renovated, which was 10 plus years ago. So last time I stayed here, it was pre-Riviera, pre-Skyliner. This is Banana Cabana. I think that's a fun name. I know. I really want to try this restaurant over here. Huh? No, I don't think I've heard, I've heard it's so-so, but that's Sebastian's Bistro. Now look at that view. It's like the cheapest, like, family style. It's like $40 for all you can eat. So yeah, we gotta walk across this. But here's the cool pirate swimming pool. So yeah, I think it's the most expensive of the moderate resorts, however, because of the Skyliner. But the last time I stayed here, it was fully being remodeled. There was like not even a quick service building. It was all in a tent. But this resort is full of, it's a cute little playground. Oh yeah, lots of hammocks, lots of little beach areas. Oh, this is so cute. Oh yeah, so many seats. I wonder if that's where they play movies. I bet it is. Sorry, my sweater's all naked. But yeah, been a long time. I'm excited to try it out again. But yeah, so we just got here. It's my little travel day video. Well, travel day, but also talking all about Caribbean Beach. Okay, I think we're over here. But the question I want to ask today is this the ugliest hotel room at Disney? I haven't wanted to stay here because I don't think this room is cute. So let's go find out. So yeah, as said, is this the ugliest Disney room resort theme, I guess? We are in a king size room tonight. That was all that was available. But yeah, a lot of people don't like how these rooms look. And it is quite basic. And I get it. There's I feel like you could have more art, around. Yeah, make sure that's locked. I stayed in a room here once at Art of Animation and that was not locked. It feels so good in here, by the way. But yeah, pretty boring. They do have some Little Mermaid themed rooms. Not as fun as the Art of Animation ones. But this is a big bathroom. Oh yeah, the bathroom is boring. It's just yellow. That's it. So yeah. Ooh. So yeah, do we think this is the ugliest hotel room at Disney? Definitely not the prettiest. Stay tuned for the next video though. It might be the prettiest hotel room at Disney. A couple thoughts of the room. It's so cold in here, which is great, but I think it's because of this really amazing ceiling fan. Like, you actually feel the air. Love it. So that's actually a big pro. They have the cheapo coffee maker. I don't love this coffee maker. Some other hotels, even other moderates, have the nicer one. And then, yeah, let's go back to the bathroom. The shower head sucks. Oh, it's dark. Yeah, this bathroom, not the greatest. But, like said, we're doing 2 hotels this trip. So this is our first stay, maybe less prettier room, and then our second stay, it's gonna be real pretty. So get ready for that one too. Good morning. So we just spent the night at Caribbean Beach. I wanted to take a little walk this morning, get some videos, because lighting's always so beautiful in the morning, and it looks beautiful, but I want to talk a little bit about the hotel. Oh, Savannah's gonna be mad. She's not with me right now, but I might go sit in this beautiful area over here. What I was gonna say, oof, this is beautiful. What I was gonna say is this hotel is full of, one of my favorite parts of this hotel that makes us want to come back is there's so many seating areas. So like, I'm gonna come sit on this beach actually. I want to take a picture with my phone though. But there's so many different areas to just go sit, people watch, read a book. My friend Savannah wants to do like, where are the best places to go and read, and I feel like this hotel is full of fun places. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go find a fun seat over here. Oh my god, these seats are freezing. There's like, as you can see, there's like, maybe it's a little wet. Maybe I should have sat down. It's fine. I'm not wearing these pants today. But like, there's a whole bunch of just beach chairs. There's a bunch of hammocks. I am taking my shoes off because why not? Oof, yeah, this is a little wet. It's fine. It's fine. These are my chill clothes. But yeah, so Caribbean Beach. There is a ball in the water right there. Some kid lost their ball. But yeah, so we're at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, however you want to say it. This is one of Disney's moderate resorts. I believe tonight for our king size room, I believe I paid $290-ish. This does tend to be the most expensive out of all of the moderate options, typically because it has the Skyliner access, which our building is literally right next to the Riviera station, which is really great. But it's very easily accessible to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. So that tends to, I think, make it more expensive. But there is also lots of, I haven't had my coffee this morning. I was just like, I want to go take a walk. But there's lots of really great food options here as well. Oh, the other thing I was going to say, this is a massive hotel. Massive. If you've seen my Coronado Springs resort video, which is also a moderate resort, that one does tend to be more like $200. So that's where like that price difference kind of comes in. But this is a massive hotel. I feel like it's bigger than that one. These were some of the first cheapest hotels Disney had when Disney was opening the parks. I stayed here as a kid, I feel like a couple times, but it's massive. Like, there's some parts of the hotel that's all the way in this direction, like far back there, and there's even their own quick service over there. That's how far away it is. So we're in the Aruba building, which is right here. There's buildings all the way back there, and then over across the lake here, this is like the lobby area, so you can see Sebastian's Bistro. The main pool is over there, check-in, pool bar, all of that's over there. And then that's also a whole other area And then, like I said, there's Riviera. That's another awesome benefit, but that's the Riviera station for Skyliner. The Caribbean Beach station is like behind that building over there. So that was actually kind of a walk for us to get to the Caribbean Beach station. But yeah, so there's those 2 quick services, which I think is insane. Not many other Disney resorts have 2 quick services. Pool bar, Sebastian's Bistro, which I talked a little bit about yesterday. It's on my list to try it, so comment down below if you want me to try it. It's like the cheapest family style meal on Disney property. I think it's like $39 for all you can eat, which is really not bad. And then quick service, and then the grab and go. I'm not sure if I want to grab something from the quick service for breakfast. I'm still debating that. But we did get some pool bar drinks and sat by the pool yesterday. We sat by the Pirates pool, which we had a really great time. But yeah, so those are some quick thoughts about Caribbean Beach. It's a massive hotel. We have really enjoyed our stay. And like I said, we definitely would want to come back because of all these little nooks that you can come and just sit, watch the sunrise. Like, this is such a peaceful morning right now. Read a book. That is what makes us want to come back. And again, I want to try some more of the food at this hotel. I want to try to get the sun right here. The sun is like, I don't know if you can tell, but the sun is rising right there. But yeah, so in regards to our room, oh, there's the sun. In regards to our room, we enjoyed it. I slept very good. I think the bed was very comfortable. I did really enjoy our location because, like I said, we were really close to the Riviera, not too far from the lobby. But oof, that sunrise. But yeah, it was very cold in the room. We love the ceiling fan. I just feel like this is such a colorful resort. Like, you can tell from all the buildings. Like, I just feel like the room could have more color to it. They used to have some pirate themed rooms here. R.I.P. I always wanted to stay in one, but unfortunately never did. Now they're Little Mermaid rooms, which I could stay in one of those maybe next time. But yeah, we did have a good stay. Definitely not the prettiest hotel room, I will say. I think it could use some more to it, but we did enjoy ourselves, and I hope I said everything that I wanted to say. Let me know down below what hotel you'd like me to stay at next. I love doing these hotel videos. I love coming to Disney and making videos. So comment down below what you would like to see next, or where you want to see me to stay next. I will say, I don't know if you heard me earlier in this video, but we are staying over here tonight. That's our hotel tonight. So possibly going from the ugliest hotel room to the prettiest hotel room. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Let me know where you want me to stay next, and hope you have a happy, positive rest of your day.